Welcome to AI in Marketing. I am your host and news curator, Stan Bertolo from Nitro Marketing. You will find links to all the stories mentioned in this episode in the show notes.
Today is Monday, October 6th. Here's what we are covering. OpenAI has introduced a new app called Sora, allowing users to create hyper-realistic short-form videos using artificial intelligence. The app, which is currently available on an invitation-only basis, enables users to place themselves in various imaginative scenarios, such as skydiving with pizzas or engaging in a Matrix-style duel, by uploading images of their faces. While Sora's powerful AI model simplifies video creation, its features closely resemble those of popular platforms like TikTok, with a similar user interface and algorithmic recommendations. This ease of generating countless videos raises concerns about potential misuse, particularly in spreading disinformation through convincing fake events. The app has already shown a tendency for users to create videos featuring copyrighted material from pop culture, such as Rick and Morty and Pikachu. Some videos have been so realistic that viewers mistake them for actual events, blurring the line between reality and fiction. This capability to quickly produce videos that look genuine could potentially escalate issues related to misinformation, posing real-world risks. Despite these concerns, Sora represents a significant step in making AI technology accessible to the public, something tech giants like Meta have been striving to achieve. The app's launch reflects a growing trend of integrating artificial intelligence into everyday digital experiences, though it also highlights the need for responsible use and regulation to prevent misuse. As Sora remains in its early stages, its long-term impact is uncertain, but its potential to influence how users interact with digital content and each other is undeniable. The app exemplifies both the exciting and unsettling aspects of rapidly advancing AI technology, leaving users and developers to navigate its implications cautiously. As Sora addresses digital content, OpenAI's AI device faces technical challenges. OpenAI and former Apple designer Jony Ive are facing hurdles in developing their new AI device, a small gadget without a screen that responds to environmental cues. According to the Financial Times, the project, set to launch in 2026, grapples with issues like the device's personality, privacy, and computing infrastructure. The team is particularly challenged by creating an always-on feature that only interacts when necessary. OpenAI acquired Ive's startup, I.O., for $6.5 billion, aiming to pioneer a new era of AI technology. However, these technical difficulties may postpone their ambitious plans. Despite the setbacks, both parties remain committed to realizing their vision of an innovative, user-friendly AI device. Turning from privacy issues to coding, AI struggles to replace human programmers. AI's potential to replace coders is a hot topic, but industry experts like Bill Gates and Sam Altman caution against it. While AI tools can handle simple tasks, they fall short for complex coding jobs that require human insight and experience. Tech giants, including Meta, have considered AI for coding roles, but the technology remains limited. AI can mimic patterns and assist with basic projects, but lacks the reasoning and instinct needed for sophisticated tasks. Derek Chang, a technologist with experience at companies like Disney and Harvard Medical School, argues that AI is not yet ready to replace human programmers. Generative AI relies on public data, missing the proprietary code locked within corporations. Although AI offers a five-fold improvement for simple coding, it often requires more time to correct complex outputs than to write the code manually. Thus, experienced professionals remain essential to catch errors and foresee risks. AI has its place, but replacing entire teams remains a distant dream. From AI in coding to Meta's communities, tech evolves in user interaction. Meta is rolling out a new Communities feature on Threads, aiming to enhance user interaction by creating dedicated spaces for specific topics and interests. With over 400 million users, Threads is testing these communities to provide more focused discussions, similar to Twitter's earlier initiative. The feature evolves from custom feeds and topic tags, offering a more refined approach to engagement. Users can join spaces like NBA Threads or Tech Threads, where posts are ranked for relevance rather than appearing randomly. Community participation will also influence the main feed's content recommendations. Custom emojis, like a basketball in the NBA community, add a playful touch to interactions. The move seeks to address user feedback on Thread's current algorithmic feed. On the business front, Meta's AI tools enhance advertising and user engagement. Meta has introduced a suite of new AI tools aimed at enhancing advertising personalization and efficiency. The highlight is Business AI, a virtual sales agent guiding customers through Meta platforms, learning from interactions to provide tailored responses. This tool doesn't require setup, streamlining its use for advertisers. Additionally, Meta launched generative video tools featuring AI-generated music and multilingual dubbing, which promise more engaging content. Shoppers may soon try virtual clothing fittings from ads, boosting purchase confidence. For creators, Meta's expanded APIs simplify transforming posts into partnership ads. The Meta AI Business Assistant, a round-the-clock chat tool, supports advertisers in campaign optimization. These innovations target quicker, cost-effective conversions in a competitive marketplace, with further global expansion slated for next year. Amidst AI advancements, security issues arise with battlefield communication systems. A recent U.S. Army memo warns of significant security issues in the NGC-2 battlefield communication system developed by Anduril and Palantir. The memo describes the system, which connects soldiers and commanders with real-time data, as a very high risk. Despite Anduril's quick development of a prototype, the Army's chief technology officer highlighted vulnerabilities that could allow adversaries undetectable access. Anduril claims these concerns are outdated, while Palantir asserts their platform has no vulnerabilities. As a result of the controversy, Palantir's stock fell 7.5%. The companies are under scrutiny for their rapid Silicon Valley-style approach in developing critical military technology. Meanwhile, Anduril plans a public offering, according to founder Palmer Luckey. From communication systems to podcasting, VoiceStream empowers executive content creation. VoiceStream is revolutionizing how executives share their insights, offering an AI-powered platform that turns written content into high-quality podcasts in minutes. By letting leaders upload briefings and choose from a range of professional AI voices, VoiceStream streamlines the production process, allowing for instant publishing across platforms like LinkedIn and podcast hosts such as Transistor.fm. This tool reduces hours of editing to mere minutes, enabling consistent and strategic content sharing. Executives can quickly turn morning reflections into podcasts, newsletters, and social posts, reinforcing their market authority. Analytics track engagement, offering insights into audience preferences. VoiceStream democratizes authority, making executive thought leadership a daily practice rather than a lengthy PR endeavor.
Thank you for tuning in to AI and Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.